Is the 2025 Mitsubishi ASX finally the compact SUV that can stand out in today's overcrowded market? After spending time with this Alliance-built crossover, I'm surprised to say that yes, it actually might be. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Mitsubishi ASX, a European market compact SUV that represents Mitsubishi's latest attempt to grab a bigger slice of the B SUV segment. And spoiler alert, there's a lot more to like here than you might expect. Let's start with what you'll notice first: the looks. Mitsubishi has managed to give the ASX a distinct family resemblance despite sharing its underpinnings with Renault models. The brand's signature dynamic shield front face is bold and recognizable, making the ASX stand out when viewed head-on. The side profile keeps things clean with pronounced wheel arches that house either 17-inch steel wheels or more premium 18-inch diamond-cut aluminum rims. Around back, the LED taillights and three-dimensional Mitsubishi lettering add a touch of modern flair. Let's talk power. Mitsubishi gives you options here, starting with a 1-liter 3-cylinder turbo, making 67 kilowatts and paired with a 6-speed manual. Need more punch? The 1.3-liter turbocharged mild hybrid delivers either 103 kilowatts with the manual or 116 kilowatts with the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. And for the efficiency-minded drivers, there's a full hybrid combining a 1.6-liter petrol engine with 2 electric motors for a total of 105 kilowatts. During my test drive, the full hybrid impressed with its smooth power delivery and surprising responsiveness in urban environments. But where the ASX really starts to shine is inside the cabin. Hop in, and you'll immediately appreciate the elevated seating position that gives you that commanding view of the road we all love in SUVs. But the true party trick here is the sliding rear bench seat. This ingenious feature can move forward by 16 centimeters, letting you choose between maximum passenger legroom or expanded cargo space depending on your needs. With the bench slid forward, the already decent 442-liter boot grows by another 69 liters. The best part? This comes standard on every single trim level. The tech story is equally impressive. Dominating the dashboard is a tablet-style 10.4-inch vertical touchscreen that runs built-in Google software. This connects with the My Mitsubishi Motors app, giving you remote access to your vehicle's functions and diagnostic information. For music lovers, the available Harman Kardon sound system pumps out 410 watts through 10 channels, delivering crisp highs and punchy bass that had me turning up the volume at every opportunity. What's interesting about the ASX is how it represents the modern reality of automotive manufacturing. Built at Renault's Valladolid plant in Spain, it's a tangible result of the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi alliance. This partnership has allowed Mitsubishi to bring a thoroughly modern compact SUV to market faster and more efficiently than developing one from scratch. After spending time with the 2025 ASX, I'm convinced it deserves your attention if you're shopping in this segment. It doesn't reinvent the compact SUV, but it nails the fundamentals while offering some genuinely useful features like that sliding rear seat. The diverse powertrain lineup means there's likely a version that fits your driving needs and budget. The compact SUV competition is fierce, but the new ASX comes armed with enough unique selling points to carve out its own space. With its blend of distinctive styling, practical innovations, and modern tech, Mitsubishi's latest offering proves that sometimes it's the thoughtful details that make all the difference. So what do you think of the 2025 Mitsubishi ASX? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.